Hand waving hi everyone. Today, we're diving into something that's right in front of us every day, but most people barely notice it. Learning to read and understand it can completely change the way you eat, and how you feel. Because when you know what's in your food, you're in control of your health. Taking care of your body isn't just about looking good. It's about long-term physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Good health starts with awareness, knowing what fuels your body and what drains it. But many of us get caught in habits that slowly wear us down. Too much processed food, too little sleep, high stress, not enough movement. All of these affect your energy, focus, mood, and even immunity. And a big part of that picture starts right at the grocery store shelf. That's where reading the nutrition label comes in. When we don't pay attention to what's in our food, the consequences build up quietly. Excess sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats contribute to right arrow diabetes, right arrow heart disease, right arrow high blood pressure, right arrow obesity, right arrow even mental health issues. Sometimes we don't notice the signs right away, but our body gives hints: fatigue, mood swings, weight changes, constant cravings, poor sleep, and low energy. That's your body's way of saying, please, check what you're feeding me. Alright, let's break it down. Here's how to read a nutrition label like a pro. Step 1, serving size. Start here. It tells you how much one serving actually is, and how many servings are in the package. Some items look like one portion but are really 2 or 3. That means double, or even triple, the calories, sugar, and fat. Step 2, calories. Calories are your energy units. Compare the number to your daily needs, and make sure they're not empty calories from sugar or processed carbs. Step 3, macronutrients. Check fats, carbs, fiber, and protein. Right finger look for healthy fats like olive oil or nuts. Right finger limits saturated and trans fats. Right finger the higher the fiber, the better, it keeps you full and stabilizes blood sugar. Step 4, added sugars. This one's huge. Added sugars are what fuel energy crashes, inflammation, and weight gain. Try to keep them as low as possible, ideally under 10% of your daily calories. Step 5, sodium. Too much salt raises blood pressure. A quick rule: under 5% daily value is low, over 20% is high. Step 6, percent daily value. These percentages show how much one serving contributes to your daily needs. Remember, 5% is low, 20% or more is high. Step 7, ingredients list. This is where the truth hides. Ingredients are listed from most to least. If the first few words are sugar, corn syrup, or something you can't pronounce, it's probably not the best choice. The shorter and simpler the list, the better. Step 8, check for micronutrients. Vitamins, minerals like calcium, iron, and vitamin D add nutritional value. But don't let them distract you from high sugar or sodium. That's your quick guide, 8 steps to smarter eating. Now that you know how to read a label, here's how to use it. When shopping, pick the cereal with more fiber and less sugar. Choose sauces or soups with less sodium. Go for no added sugar or unsweetened when you can. At home, cook more from scratch. It's the best way to know what's in your food. Plan meals ahead, stay hydrated, and move regularly. These small habits combine into one big transformation. Fun fact: nutrition labels didn't even exist until the 1990s. The Nutrition Labeling and Education Act made them mandatory so consumers could make informed choices. And science keeps evolving. Now, labels must list added sugars because research clearly links them to chronic disease. Reading labels is no longer optional. it's a skill for survival in the modern food environment. If we never learn to read labels, we risk silently harming ourselves. Hidden sugars, excessive salt, and processed oils build up damage over time, leading to fatigue, chronic disease, and emotional imbalance. But the good news: awareness changes everything. Once you start reading labels, you'll never look at food the same way again, and that's a good thing. Let's wrap this up. Reading a nutrition label takes just 10 seconds, but it can add years of health to your life. Remember, your body is your lifelong home. The better you feed it, the better it serves you. So next time you pick up a snack, flip the package around. Take a look. Because the small choice you make today shapes your future health tomorrow. This video is for educational purposes only and doesn't replace medical or nutritional advice. Always talk with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making major changes to your diet.